As I was telling you, the science days, this is always Science Day and Teachers Day, 2 days where we are so special, we feel so special. Teachers Day, definitely. We all teachers feel like, queens and kings. And also Science Day, we science teachers feel so happy, so proud. Everybody will wish us. Happy Science Day, ma'am. Today also I got so many wishes. I was so happy when they wish us on this day. Otherwise, actually I was thinking that I'm just another page of the science textbook, NCERT reader, maybe the carbon and compound and the excretory system. I was just another page in that book. So on this day, I feel so special. I feel so happy to be here. There are so many students listening to what I'm going to gather. So let's see how we can think like a scientist. As I was telling you, science, what does it mean? As I told you, it is knowledge. So to acquire knowledge, it's easy to acquire knowledge, right? It's not a big deal to acquire the knowledge. Get the knowledge, write the exam, get the degree, get a job, settle down, finished. What else are we doing? Are we taking this science into our life? How is it possible to take science into our life? So science, when we just think science as a subject, that's when it becomes boring. I hear, the 10th standard science, if you all remember, if you have not forgotten, it was so tough, right? Chemistry, remember? Organic chemistry, yeah, I know, it was so tough. Every day I hear, chemistry, very tough. Physics, can't even see the teacher, right? You all had such an experience, right? It's true. Why does it happen? Why are we not taking the science into our life? And I've come here with another term, scientific temper. As I've already told you, scientific temper. What does it mean, scientific temper? When you make the science into your life, when you make it incorporate with your life, when you make it a part of your life, it becomes scientific temper. You think, you ask questions, you solve the problems, as Shankar sir was telling. Solve the problems. There's a problem, not the mathematics problem or the physics problems. You confront it with real life problems. Right? You find a solution for that. You learn from your experiences. That becomes scientific temper. But why is scientific temper so important? Scientific temper is so important and it is enshrined in our Constitution. Have you heard about Article 51H? How many of you have heard? Please raise your hands. Of course. Nobody else? Yeah, that's okay. So the Article 51H says that it is the duty of each and every citizen to have or to develop scientific temper, humanism, a spirit of inquiry and reform. So with this, we make sure that scientific temper is nothing related so much into the textbooks or the readers or the PowerPoints. It's just related to our life. When we start to think, when we start to inquire what is happening, right? The scientific temper becomes a part of our life. Now, come back to our, serious notes. We'll just stop the serious notes. Let's go to this one. How many of you like ice creams? See, pardon me, I am, a high school teacher, so I have a lot of questions. I cannot just start without a question, anything. Okay? So I'll keep on asking you questions, so just respond if you feel like. I've seen those girls, yeah, I too love ice creams. Nobody else? Boys don't like ice creams. It doesn't suit us. Boys should not like ice creams. Boys should not like chocolates. Is it so? Yeah, correct. Gender disparity, yeah, correct. So, we all like ice creams. But we think that eating ice creams cause what? Cold. Right, cold. Right? If you eat ice cream, you get a cold. You catch a cold if you eat ice cream. And what do? As soon as you eat ice cream, you drink hot water. Correct? Yeah, correct.